In this video, we'll demonstrate how to cancel a subscription on Shopify, a process that includes closing your Shopify store. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to cancel your Shopify subscription, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. If you're interested in trying out Shopify for your e-commerce needs, click the link in the description to get started. To begin, log into your Shopify account and select the store you wish to close. If you have multiple stores, choose the specific one you want to deactivate. Once you're on the Shopify homepage, click on your name at the top right of the screen and select Manage Account. On the left side, find the security settings and ensure that you're logged out of all devices. If you have any authentication methods enabled, turn them off for security purposes. Also, remove any past login services associated with your account. Now, head to the bottom left and access your store settings. Uninstall any connected apps that you pay for. This step prevents potential charges from these apps after you've closed your store and canceled your subscription. In the Plan section, click on the Deactivate Store button. A menu will appear offering different deactivation options. Choose Deactivate Store and specify your reason for deactivation. Shopify will inform you that once the store is deactivated, access to sales data, reports, products, and customer information will no longer be available. If you're certain about canceling your subscription and closing your store, click on the Deactivate button. Your store will be closed, and Shopify will store your information for 2 years, allowing reactivation if you change your mind. If you're interested in trying out Shopify for your e-commerce needs, click the link in the description to get started. If this tutorial was helpful and enabled you to cancel your Shopify subscription smoothly, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more valuable content.